Did you know that the Rubik's Cube was invented by a Hungarian professor? Erno Rubik was his name, and he created the world's best-selling puzzle toy in 1974. But he didn't make it for kids. He made it to teach architecture students. The cube was originally called the Magic Cube, but that name didn't stick. No one knows why. The colors were chosen at random, and there was no specific pattern to the puzzle. But Rubik did have one rule. You can only make one move at a time. This made the puzzle much harder, and it took people years to figure out how to solve it. In 1980, a computer scientist finally figured out the algorithm to solve the Rubik's Cube. And since then, speed cubers have taken the world record from 4 seconds. That's pretty fast.